Hey everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a short video on how I bleached a Amazon unit. It was a water wave unit, about 16 inches, water wave, lace front, all the way around, all of that. So I just went ahead, pretty much, I already put the bleach on the wig before I started recording, which was kind of like dumb of me, but yeah, I did it anyway. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I rinse it out, wash it, let it dry, and do all of that. So let's go ahead and get into the video. And yeah, so literally what I plan to achieve by bleaching the wig is I'm doing a hair test because soon I want to bleach my hair to be like a gold brown color, and then I want to do another color on top. I just don't know what color yet, and I don't want to go all the way platinum blonde on my natural hair. My hair is 4C natural. It's been that way for about a year, about 2 years. In January it'll be 2 years. I did the big chop last year, January 2019. Yeah, my Britney Spears, went through a midlife crisis type thing and just shaved my head. So my hair is pretty much natural. I don't use heat, I don't perm it, none of that. I use Cantu on my hair, which is I just recently started using. I don't know how I like it yet, but it's this one. It's the shampoo. And I also use the conditioner. And I also use this one, the leave-in. So yeah, pretty much I like the products so far, but yeah. I also want to let you guys know that I will be using this YouTube channel for all types of things, such as things I do with my kids or my family, trips that I go on, things that I do with my hair. I'm also into ASMR, so me and my daughter will be doing things like that on the channel. If you're into that type of things, we also have a Instagram for Ask Mir. I will put it in the description below. I'll also put my regular Instagram, my Twitter, and my Finsta in the description box below. So just stay tuned. I'm probably about to wash this wig. It's probably been about 15 minutes or so. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash all the bleach out and see what type of color it did. I think with me combing through it made it like streaks, and I think I might like that. I might have did something with that. So let me go ahead and wash the wig, and I'll come back and let you guys know. So I went ahead and washed the wig out. This is the result. I really like it. Actually, this is the color that I want my hair. This brown color right there. That is definitely the color that I want my natural hair to be. So like I said, this is just a hair test. I'm actually gonna do this on my natural hair. I don't know if I might style this, and I might wear it on my next video so you guys can see it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and I will be back on my next video with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.